What's up, everybody? Let's make some money. Together. Investing can seem like a maze, right? A million different paths, and you're stuck trying to pick the right one. But what if I told you there's a way to simplify the entire process, potentially save on taxes, and set yourself up for a more comfortable financial future? Target Date Funds enters the chat. We're diving deep into 10 powerful money hacks using target date funds that could revolutionize the way you approach investing. You can bet these hacks will be life-changing. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the game for a while, these strategies can help streamline your portfolio and potentially maximize your returns. Stick around, because these hacks are absolute game changers. Okay, before we unlock these money hacks, let's break down the basics. What exactly a target date fund? Simply put, it's like the set it and forget it option of the investment world. You pick a fund with a target date that aligns with your retirement goals. Let's say the year 2050. This fund bundles together a mix of different assets like stocks and bonds, tailored to your ideal retirement timeline. When you're younger and further from retirement, the fund tends to be more heavily weighted in stocks for potentially higher growth. As you get closer to your target date, the fund gradually shifts towards a more conservative mix, increasing its allocation in bonds to help protect your hard-earned money. Now, let's talk about the first money hack: starting early. We've all heard it before, but with target date funds, it's especially powerful. Why? Because of this little thing called compound interest. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to potentially grow, and the more that growth can generate even growth over time. Think of it this way: even small, consistent contributions made early on can potentially balloon into a significant sum by the time you retire. So don't wait. The sooner you start investing in your future, the more you stand to gain in the long run. Time in the market beats timing the market, and target date funds make it easy to get in the game. Imagine never having to stress about when to buy or sell your investments again. That's the beauty of automatic rebalancing, a built-in feature of many target date funds. As market conditions change and your investments fluctuate in value, the fund automatically buys and sells assets to maintain your desired asset mix. This helps manage risk and keeps you on track for your goals. No need to constantly monitor the market or make manual adjustments. Target date funds do the heavy lifting for you, so you can focus on what matters most. Chapter 4. Risk reduction. Over time. Investing for a secure future. Let's be real. Nobody wants to be on a roller coaster ride with their retirement savings. As we get closer to our goals, we want more stability and protection for the money we've worked so hard to accumulate. Early on, when you have more time to recover from market downturns, the fund is designed to take on more risk with a greater allocation to stocks. But as you approach your target date, the fund automatically shifts towards a more conservative approach. This typically means increasing its allocation in bonds, which are generally considered less risky than stocks. This gradual shift helps protect your investments as you near retirement, providing peace of mind, knowing your money is working towards a more secure future. Chapter 5. Low-maintenance investing. Because your time is valuable. Let's face it, life gets busy. Between work, family, friends, and everything in between, who has the time or energy to constantly research individual stocks, analyze market trends, and rebalance their portfolio? That's where the beauty of target date funds shines through. They offer a truly low-maintenance approach to investing, freeing up your time and mental bandwidth. Once you've chosen your fund and set up your contributions, you can essentially sit back and let the fund do its thing. Target date funds streamline the entire process, making it easier than ever to prioritize your financial well-being without sacrificing your precious time. Chapter 6. Cost effectiveness. Keeping more money in your pocket. One of the often overlooked advantages of target date funds is their cost effectiveness. Because these funds pool money from a large number of investors, they can negotiate lower fees for things like trading and management, compared to what you might pay if you were investing in individual stocks or bonds on your own. Every dollar saved on expenses is a dollar that stays invested and has the potential to grow over time. So not only do target date funds simplify your investment strategy, but they can also help you keep more of your hard-earned money working for you. You know the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? Well, the same principle applies to investing. Diversification is key to managing risk and potentially maximizing returns, and target date funds excel in this area. Instead of putting all your money into a single stock or bond, target date funds invest in a diversified portfolio of assets across different asset classes, industries, and geographies. This diversification helps spread risk, so if one particular investment underperforms, it's less likely to significantly impact your overall portfolio. With target date funds, you can achieve instant diversification with a single investment, simplifying the process and potentially improving your chances of success. Chapter 8. Tax advantages. Keep more of what you earn. Taxes, yeah, not the most exciting topic, but definitely an important one when it comes to investing. The good news is that target date funds can offer some potential tax advantages, especially when held within tax-advantaged accounts like a 401k or IRA. Because target date funds are designed for long-term growth and typically have low turnover rates, they can potentially generate fewer taxable events compared to actively managed funds. This means you get to keep more of your investment gains working for you instead of Uncle Sam. Of course, tax laws are complex and can change, so it's always a good idea to consult with a qualified tax advisor for personalized advice. Chapter 9. Ease of access and liquidity. Your money when you need it. Life is unpredictable, and sometimes we need access to our money sooner than expected. Target date funds are generally considered to be relatively liquid, meaning you can typically buy or sell shares easily without facing significant penalties or delays. This can provide peace of mind, knowing that you have access to your funds if an unexpected expense arises or your financial circumstances change. Of course, it's important to remember that target date funds are designed for long-term goals like retirement, so frequent trading or withdrawals can defeat the purpose and potentially harm your returns. But the relative liquidity of target date funds can be a valuable benefit, providing flexibility and peace of mind when you need it most. Chapter 10. A target date fund success story. It really works. Okay, time for a real-life example. I remember when I first started investing, I was so overwhelmed with all the options. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs. It felt like a different language. Then I discovered target date funds. I loved the simplicity and the fact that I could choose a fund aligned with my retirement goals. So I took the plunge, invested a good chunk of my savings, and let it ride. Fast forward a few years, and I'm blown away by the results. Target date funds have made investing effortless and effective, and I'm so grateful for the peace of mind they've provided. Outro. Target date funds. Your path to financial freedom. So there you have it. 10 powerful money hacks using target date funds that can potentially transform your financial future. From the simplicity of automatic investing to the potential for long-term growth and tax advantages, target date funds offer a compelling solution for investors of all levels. Remember, your future self will thank you. As always, hit that like button. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions about target date funds, and don't forget to subscribe for more finance tips that can help you achieve your financial dreams. See you in the next video.